Howdy folks, and welcome to our next video.
Breaking news, we're going to go on the Forest Road 221.
That's right, Forest Road 221, a rough and rugged road, not made for passenger cars. So saddle up and let's ride. Let's go, regulators.
Of the old trail answering calls, songs of the past ride the desert breeze in the land of the brave, where spirits find peace. White western skies, sing me a song, freedom and journeys where I belong. A lone bird's cry, a soft breeze sigh, the call of the west as all days fly. In the dust and the dawn, my spirit stays with echoes of wind and wild-hearted days. In the quiet, the wide open grace, under stars, where memories trace, I ride with shadows, dust on my heels, through mountains and rivers, the land reveals echoes of promise, whispers of stone. In these wild
See that road? We're
places,
away.
I'm never alone.
Come
The
down,
white
down,
western skies,
Here in this
sing
little-
me a song, freedom and journeys where I belong. A lone bird's cry, a soft breeze sigh, the call of the west as all days fly.
Does it? Nope. Mom, how do you feel?
I feel excited.
That's good. I feel that way too. Me too.
Sometimes the roads scare me.
Yeah. When they're going like
Soft clover and rough canyon walls, ghosts of the old trail answering calls. Where river and wine stories unfold in whispers of time, their secrets told. With every sunrise, new tales begin in lands where the hawk's flight doesn't end. The white western skies sing me a song, freedom and journeys where I belong. Unknown birds cry, a soft prairie sigh, the call of the west as old days fly. Unknown birds cry. White western skies sing me a song, freedom and journeys where I belong. Unknown birds cry, a soft prairie sigh, the call of the west as all days fly. In the dust and the dawn, my spirit stays with echoes of wind and wild-hearted day.